Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. A warm welcome to you all. I hope everyone is doing well. So today I am going to show you guys how to make these incredible honey garlic pork chops. Now guys, these pork chops are succulent and juicy on the inside, and as you can see, is beautifully glazed on the outside. You can pair these pork chops with any side dish of your choice. So stay with me and let's get started on this recipe. For this recipe, I'm going to use 3 pork chops, and to season my pork chops, I'm using Himalayan salt, garlic granules, black pepper, white pepper, and smoked paprika. Feel free to season the pork chops using your preferred seasonings of choice. Once I've added the seasoning on one side, I'm just gently pressing the seasoning in. Next, I'll flip the pork chops over and repeat the seasonings. Once both sides of the pork chop is nicely seasoned, set aside for later use. I'm now going to fry the pork chops, and I'll be using a skillet because I will finish cooking the pork chops in the oven. Now to my skillet, I have added a little bit of oil, and I'm going to allow the oil to come to heat. Once the oil is hot, I'm just adding my pork chops, and I'll fry each side of the pork chops for 3 to 5 minutes on medium heat. I am now going to flip the pork chops over and allow the opposite side to cook. I am going to ensure that the sides of the pork chop is also nicely seared. I'm just going to hold it together in my skillet for about a minute or so to achieve this beautiful color. I'm now going to remove it from the skillet and set this aside for later use. I have added butter to my skillet, and I'm going to allow the butter to melt. As the butter has melted, I'm going to add garlic puree, and I'll mix everything together. To the melted butter and garlic, I'm going to add honey, and I'll mix everything together and simmer on low to medium heat to minimize burning. Ensure your heat is on low to medium heat, otherwise if the mixture burns, it will leave a bitter taste on your pork chops. I am now going to add chicken stock, and I'll continue mixing until the sauce thickens in consistency. And as you can see, the sauce has thickened. I am now going to add the pork chops and ensure that the pork chop is also coated in the sauce. I am glazing the pork chops with more sauce because I'm going to place the pork chops in the oven, and I'm going to grill it in the oven for 10 minutes, and I'm using the grill part of my oven for this step. And after 10 minutes of grilling in the oven, the honey garlic lamb chops is ready, and look at this beauty. It smells incredible. The glaze just looks amazing, and I've just added my garnishing of fresh parsley. I'm just ready to tuck in. As I mentioned before, you can pair this with any side dish of your choice. Also guys, if by any chance you don't eat pork, you can certainly use salmon fillets, prawns, chicken, or even lamb chops. It's entirely up to you. As always guys, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so, and click that notification bell, which will notify you every time I post delicious recipes like this. I am going to enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.